Hello, good afternoon. I am Suman Sharma from Government Polytechnic College, Khuni Majra. Today's my topic is trigonometrical identities with problems and their elimination with problems. Now, first of all, take x-axis x dash o x and y-o y dash as axis and take an point P and draw PM perpendicular on x-axis and P point making an angle theta with the x-axis. Now, ratio MP upon OP, MP upon OP means that is opposite side upon hypotenuse is called the sine of angle theta and is written as sine theta, means MP upon OP is equal to sine theta. We can write sine theta is equal to MP upon OP. Now, number 2, ratio OM upon OP, that is this side adjacent side upon hypotenuse is called the cosine of the angle theta and is written as cos theta, means we can write cos theta is equal to OM upon OP. Now, next, number 3rd, ratio of, we can make this ratio MP upon OM, MP upon OM, that is opposite side upon adjacent side is called the tangent of the angle theta and is written as tan theta, means we can write tan theta is equal to MP upon OM, MP upon OM. Number 4, ratio OM upon MP, that is upon opposite side is called the cotangent of angle theta and is written as cot theta. Means we can write cot theta is equal to OM upon MP. Number 5, ratio OP upon OM, that is hypotenuse upon adjacent side is called the secant of angle theta and is written as secant theta. Number 6, ratio OP upon MP, that is hypotenuse upon opposite side is called the cosecant of angle theta and is written as cosecant theta. Means we can write cosecant theta is equal to OP upon MP. Now after this, 5 fundamental relation, 5 fundamental relation between T ratio of any angle. Number 1, cosecant theta is equal to 1 upon sin theta. Number 2, secant theta is equal to 1 upon cos theta. Number 3, cot theta is equal to cos theta upon sin theta or 1 upon tan theta. Number 4, tan theta is equal to sin theta upon cos theta. And number 5 is secant theta is sin theta is equal to 1 upon cosecant theta. Now next, three fundamental square relation is 3 3 3 fundamental square relation. For any angle theta, prove that number 1 relation is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Number 2, secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. Number 3, cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. Now solution. We have to prove first, and first of all take x dash o x and y o y dash as a axis, and let a P is a point and OP is a revolving line. And this line make an angle theta with the OX. Let a revolving line OP starting from OX trace out any angle XOP which is equal to theta. Now here theta may lie in any quadrant, and from P draw PM perpendicular on XO X dash from P perpendicular on XO X dash. Now from the right angle triangle OMP and by Pythagoras theorem we have Pythagoras theorem says OM square plus MP square is equal to OP square. OM square plus MP square is equal to OP square, and let this will be equation 1. I will write again. OM square plus MP square is equal to OP square. This is equation 1. Now to prove sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1, divide both sides of equation 1 by OP square, means we have to divide this equation by OP square, and what will be OM upon OP square plus MP upon OP square is equal to 1. And we know that OM upon OP is equal to cos theta and MP upon OP is equal to sin theta. So, we get cos square theta plus sin square theta is equal to 1, or we can also say that sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta, or we can also say that cos square theta is 1 minus sin square theta. So, hence we prove that sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now, next, first of all, this relation OM square plus MP square is equal to OP square, this is 1. Now, we have to prove secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. To prove this relation, we have to divide the equation 1 by OM square. Divide both sides of 1 by OM square, means OM square upon OM square, MP square upon OM square, and OP square upon OM square, and this will be equal to 1 plus MP upon OM whole square and OP upon OM whole square. And we know that MP upon OM is equal to tan theta, and OP upon OM is equal to secant theta. So, we get 1 plus tan square theta is equal to secant square theta, and we can also say secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1, or tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. Now, last relation we have to prove. To prove number third relation, to prove cosecant square theta is equal to 1 plus cot square theta. So, first of all, we have to write the relation. OM square plus MP square is equal to OP square, which is equal to Now to prove this relation, divide both sides of 1 by mp square. Now divide om square upon mp square plus mp square upon mp square op square upon mp square. om upon mp का होल स्क्वायर प्लस 1 op upon mp whole square. Now what is om upon mp? om upon mp is equal to cot theta and op upon mp is equal to cosecant theta. Cot square theta plus 1 equal to cosecant square theta. So we have to prove relation 1, and we can also say that cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1, and cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. Now some problems. Number 1 problem. Prove that secant theta minus cos theta and cosecant theta minus sin theta is equal to 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta. Now first of all, left hand side, secant theta we can write 1 upon cos theta minus cos theta, and cosecant theta is 1 upon sin theta and minus sin theta, 1 minus cos square theta upon cos theta, and here is 1 minus sin square theta upon sin theta. We know that 1 minus cos square theta is sin square theta, and 1 minus sin square theta is cos square theta upon sin theta. Now by simplifying we get sin theta into cos theta. Now right hand side, right hand side is 1 plus tan theta plus cot theta, and this is equal to tan theta is sin theta upon cos theta plus cos theta upon sin theta, and which is equal to, by taking LCM, sin theta cos theta, this is sin square theta plus cos square theta, and this is equal to 1, and we get sin theta cos theta upon sin square theta plus cos square theta, which is equal to 1, because we have to prove relation. sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So, left hand side is equal to right hand side, hence it is proved. Now, next problem, if sin theta plus cos theta equal to 1, then what will be sin theta? Now, squaring both sides, we get sin theta plus cos theta square is equal to 1, and this will be equal to sin square theta plus cos square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1, and this is also equal to 1. So, 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to 1 minus 1, which is equal to 0. This is equal to 0. It means sin theta and cos theta is equal to 0. If product of two numbers are 0, then either sin theta equal to 0 or cos theta equal to 0. So, we have get answer sin theta is equal to 0. Now, next problem, prove that one plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta is equal to cosecant theta plus cot theta. Now, solution, left hand side is 1 plus cos theta upon 1 minus cos theta. We rationalize it, 1 plus cos theta upon 1 plus cos theta, and which is equal to 1 plus cos theta का whole square and under root, and in denominator 1 minus cos square theta under the root, and which is equal to 1 plus cos theta, and in denominator this will be equal to sin theta, sin square theta under root, which is equal to sin theta. So, we get 1 upon sin theta plus cos theta upon sin theta. 1 upon sin theta is cosecant theta, and cos upon sin theta is cot theta, and which is equal to right hand side. So, hence we have proved left hand side is equal to right hand side. Now, next cot A plus tangent B upon cot B plus tangent A is equal to cot A tan B. Solution, left hand side first of all, cot A plus tan B upon cot B plus tan A, it is equal to cot A means cos A